Welcome to Dynamics Part 5, the addition of forces. When we have more than one force acting on a body, the forces must be added. And when we add the forces, we must remember that forces are vectors and must be added as vectors, which means their direction must be taken into account. Here you have an example, a 10 Newton force moving to the right and a 6 Newton force moving or acting to the left. This may be you pushing something to the right, and this is the force of friction opposing your motion. I'm going to take the convention that to the right is positive. So when you add these together, we have 6 newtons to the left, 10 to the right, gives us a net 4 to the right. Example. Sally pushes a 10 kilogram box across the floor with 30 newtons of force. The force of friction is 20 newtons. Find the box's acceleration. First, we're going to define the net force acting on the box, and that's just the sum of the forces. Assuming that Sally's force is positive, we have a plus 30 newtons for Sally, and friction always acts in the opposite direction of motion. That's a minus 20 newtons of force for the friction, giving us a net force of 10 newtons in the positive direction. Okay, now the net force is equal to the mass of the object times the acceleration of the object. We just calculated that the net force is 10 newtons. The box, we are told, is 10 kilograms. And the acceleration is the variable. You see that the acceleration here is 1.0 meters per second squared, and it's positive, so it's moving to the right, which is the direction of Sally's push. Hope that helped. Please feel free to leave a comment, more examples, things aren't clear, some other suggestion to improve.